And welcome back to packet number 7. This is part 2. Today we are going to be using our equations and substitution and seeing if the solution is actually what it should equal. So it says determine whether each solution is a solution to the given equation. So in order to determine this, again, we're going to be using substitution. I'm going to be doing 1, 3, and 5. Your job is to do 2, 4, and 6 on your own. At the very bottom, it's talking about using a double number line. I do not like teaching this way, how to solve two-step equations, so we are not going to do that. Feel free to try on your own if you think it interests you, but I will not be teaching that. So let's look at number 1. So number 1 says c over 2 plus 5 equals 2. And they're saying the solution that c equals -6. So we're going to place -6 into our equation. So when you do this, you're going to do -6 over 2 plus 5 equals 2. When it is like this, like a fraction, remember that means division. So -6 divided by 2 is a -3. So now I have -3 plus 5 equals 2. And now we're thinking back to our integer rules of adding. If they are different signs, it means that you are going to subtract. So 3 minus 5 is 2. And it's going to be positive because 5 is bigger. So does 2 equal 2? Yes. Okay, looking at number 3. Number 3, I have 2p minus 4 equals 8. They're saying the solution that p equals -3. So we're going to have 2 times -3 minus 4 equals 8. Why did I multiply? Remember, a number times a letter means that you're multiplying. So 2 times -3 is a -6. So now I have -6 minus 4 equals 8. Going back to those integer rules, I have negative numbers in subtraction. When we have this, we're going to do keep, change, opposite. So I'm going to keep -6, change this to add, and this is a -4. So now I have same signs. So 6 plus 4 is 10, and it's going to be negative. So does -10 equal 8? No. Looking at number 5. 10 equals 3n minus 5. And they're saying the solution that n equals -4. So I'm going to have 10 equals 3 times -4 minus 5. Why did I multiply? Because a number next to a letter means to multiply. And even though 10 is on this side, unlike the other two, it's the same rules, it's the same steps. So I'm going to have 10 equals 3 times -4 is -12 minus 5. I'm going to do keep, change, opposite. So keep -12, change to add, opposite of 5 is -5. They're now the same sign, so I can just add 12 plus 5 is 17, and it's going to be negative. So does 10 equal -17? No. So now your job is to do 2, 4, and 6 on your own. If you have any questions, please use Google Classroom, email, or Remind.